Hello boys, hello girl, this is Mr. Lucero and we're going to start working a new activity. For today we have culture activity, get ready for the adventure of lifetime. This is on page 129. Okay, here is the page, here is the information, so let's start. Get ready for an adventure, get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Bungee, skydiving, canoeing, sea planing. Travelers who want to combine their love of the outdoors with their adventure spirit can do it in the same home of the adventure tourism, New Zealand. Check out some of them. Are you looking for adventure? Well, I'm going to stop here and listen. If we talk about adventure in Cañete, can we find it? Yes, of course. For example, if you go to Serra Azul, you can find surfing. If you go to Kilmana, hiking, no, especially in the Parque Zonal. If you go, for example, to Lunawana, you can find canoeing, hiking, biking. There are many activities. Okay. For example, here we have some. Let's surf or surfing. I know this activity is surfing, ziplining, skydiving, canoeing, and bungee. Look at the pictures. Interesting. For example, if I have the chance, I would like to do surfing. I remember years ago I did this activity, canoeing. Yes, in Lunawana. I didn't try ziplining or skydiving. For me, skydiving is really dangerous. I don't know. And bungee always terrifying. But well, it depends of anybody. So what are you going to do first? Read and listen to the information about adventure in New Zealand. Match the columns. So you're going to listen, no, and look at the information here. A, B, C, D, E. You are going to match them with this information. Match. Okay, relacionar. Pay attention.
Unit 8, Track 82, Activity 1.
Get ready for the adventure of a lifetime.
Bungee, skydiving, canyoning, ziplining. Travelers who want to combine their love of the outdoors with their adventurous spirit can do it in the home of adventure tourism, New Zealand. Check out some of them.
Zorb or Ogo.
This iconic activity is a must-try. Get inside a giant inflatable ball and roll down a hill at Ogo Rotorua, a place famous for natural hot springs and the fascinating Maori culture. A great activity for the entire family.
Skydiving.
New Zealand's magnificent landscapes take on an extra dimension when you're 12,000 feet in the air. If it is your first time, don't worry. Experienced skydivers teach you step by step what to do during the jump and what to expect.
Ziplining.
Want a combination of adrenaline, nature, and speed? Zip your way past great harbor views on Waiheke Island, spectacular native forests across rivers and canyons.
Canyoning.
It's one of New Zealand's wildest adventures. You can slide down rocks, climb and jump in remote mountain locations around Auckland, Coromandel, Nelson, Canterbury, and Wanaka.
Bungee.
For many people, bungee jumping is a must-do. You can try it at the original Kawara bungee site or New Zealand's highest bungee at 134 meters above the Nevis River. Face your fears by standing on the edge of the mountain. As the home of bungee, New Zealand never disappoints.
There is extra information here for your next vacation. Don't forget, New Zealand is waiting for you. Okay, boys, okay, girls, now the activity is this. Read and listen to the information about adventure in New Zealand. Okay, we listen to. match the columns A, B, C, D, E with this information. Okay? This is going to be your activity, so you can listen to many times. Okay? And in the second part says, what adventure sport are there in your country? So at the beginning I tell some of them. Where can you practice them? You can focus in Cañete, no, you can focus in Cañete, or you can focus about Peru in general. Okay, so this is going to be your activity. Okay, so if you couldn't listen to the audio very well, you can try many times, or maybe you can read. No? Here you can take a screenshot, and here another. No? Now let's continue. Okay, page 130. On page 130, we're going to check vocabulary number 2. And this vocabulary number 2 is about feelings. Feelings. For example, today I feel happy. How do you feel today? You can feel excited, nervous, you can feel bored, you can feel jealous. Now, for example, boys, how do you feel today? Hungry or hungry, surprised, tired. Now, girls, what about you? Maybe you are embarrassed, maybe you are tired. No, here there is the vocabulary. No, number 1, listen and repeat the words in the box. So this is your first activity. Listen and repeat. Then match them to pictures 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. No? Cross out the ones that are not illustrated. Okay, first of all, let's practice. Okay, pay attention, listen and repeat.
Unit 8, Track 83, Activity 1.
Angry, bored, embarrassed, excited, jealous, nervous, pleased, sad, scared, surprised, tired, worried.
Okay, this has been our vocabulary, so the idea is to practice. In class we're going to practice, of course, but you can start as soon as you have as you got the video. Now let's see. It says that we need to match. No, we need to match them with the pictures 1 to 6. For example, number 1 says bored. And look at the girls like, no, bored. So this is number 1. No, it's also here. There is no problem. Scared. No, there is a man in the forest, and there is a snake. No, he's scared. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Okay, scared. Number 2. What is scared here? Number 3 is like tired, like when you work all day with your homework. It's 11 o'clock at night and you continue working. You are tired, like, oh my god, I can't finish. That is tired. Well, angry. It's like, for example, a person does something terrible to another, and that person is angry. Like, no, if for example, when my students, when they do their activities, they say, hey, Mister, this is my activity. I do it by myself, and I then I check it, and there is a part of translator. Let's say, I feel angry, like, angry here, nervous. No, sometimes in exam you're nervous. No, you do so yes or no. It's possible. It's not possible. Okay, nervous here. Number 6. Jealous. No? What is jealous? Is, for example, when you, okay, you have a brother or sister and you love your father. No, I love more than you. That is jealous. Okay? So, we have angry. Okay, it's a number. Angry is number 4. Bored is number 1. Embarrassed, there is no embarrassed. So here, cross out. What is cross out? An X. Excited is not here. Jealous. Jealous is number 6. No. Nervous is number 5. Pleased. No, there is no pleased, so there is a cross out. Sad, cross out. Scared is number 2. Surprise. There is no surprise. Cross out. Tired. Yes, tired is number 3. And worried, cross out. Okay. Now let's see. Number 2. Answer the questions so they are true for you. Use words from activity 1. How do you feel? That was my question at the beginning. How do you feel before an important exam? Before, no, antes, before an important exam. In my case, I feel nervous. Okay? How do you feel when you see an enormous spider? How do you feel when your classmate breaks your things? No, you have, for example, your pencil and your friend crash. How do you feel after a long day at school? How do you feel when you don't pass an exam? No, in that case, me, I feel terrible. Terrible. I feel sad. Well, those answers are personal. So in a Google Doc, you are going to write this, okay? This is the vocabulary. Now, remember, you are going to answer with those adjective, because those are adjective. Maybe if you have a different one, you can add it. Okay, you can use new ones, but if you don't, use those. Okay. Well, let's continue. Reading activity. Reading activity number 2. Skim the text and answer what does this article describe. And you have two choices. The adventure of a traveler in the African jungle, or the day today of a traveler visiting an African tribe. What is skim? To check it quickly and try to find the right answer. Okay? 1, 2, 3. You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, in your opinion, what is this article about? About the adventures, okay, about the adventures of a traveler in the African jungle, or the day-to-day of a traveler visiting an African tribe. Opinions. No, in this case, you are going to give me your opinions. The idea is to skim the activity. No, you read it quickly and try to get the idea as soon as possible. But if you don't, there is no problem. Okay, we can do it together. Well, if you check the picture and the title says Life with the Tribe. So, the adventures of traveling in the African jungle could be, but in my opinion, the day-to-day of a traveler visiting an African tribe. Okay, that is the answer. Now, what do you have to do? You here have one activity. We are going to read and then we are going to answer true or false. Okay, so I'm going to play the audio for you. Okay, I'm going to play the audio for you so that you can listen to, you can take notes if that is necessary, and answer true or false.
Unit 8. Track 84. Activity 2.
Life with the tribe.
Are you bored by daily life? Do you want to spend a month in isolation with a tribe in the African savannah or on an island in the Pacific Ocean? Find out how an American family is surviving in the wild as they live, sleep, and eat with the tribe in this brand new documentary series, Life with the Tribe.
Episode 3. Day 3.
Joshua Anderson is adapting to his new life in the savannah. In the U.S., he usually gets up at 7:30 a.m. and he goes to work by train. This month, however, he's getting up when the sun rises at 6 a.m. and he's looking after the tribe's animals. He never makes lunch at home, but now he's making lunch for the whole tribe. Everyone is learning new skills. His children are building a house in the trees.
Day 5.
Joshua is fishing in the river today. He is really excited because there are some elephants walking in the river. He normally feels nervous in a boat or near the sea, but today he's feeling fine. The family is really pleased with their new life, and they're excited about their adventure.
Okay, now what do you have to do? In groups, we're going to work this activity. Read the text again and write true or false. Life with a Tribe is a comedy show. True or false? B. Joshua's getting up at the same time as usual. True or false? C. He's making lunch for his family. D. His children are bored because they're doing nothing. E. Joshua doesn't usually like the sea. F. The family are feeling excited about the experience. Okay, boys, okay, girls, this is going to be your activity for this class, so you can start working so that you can get ready. Thank you very much. See you.